Hello. Today we're in sunny Staithes. It's a little village, seaside town in North Yorkshire. Just going to explore today. It's banging weather today. It's like going to be 30 degrees. So we're going to check out the seaside town, see what's here, see what's about, and yeah, hat on, let's go. Look at this massive lobster. Big blue lobster. I wonder why that's there. Is it because they catch lots of lobsters here? Now we're walking this way, which it looks a bit empty. I'm just hoping we find something. So yeah, follow the road. Let's see what's down here. Now we're walking down a hill. Look at this great view though. These little windy roads that we're walking down. Nice. All surrounded by these small little houses. All these little cottages with different coloured doors and windows. Over there. Oh, look at this. Little bridge bit now. This side. And then this side. Cool. This is such a picturesque little village. Really nice. So are we going to get some food then?
We're going to go hopefully to the Cod Lobster.
The Cod Lobster.
We'll have a look and see if we can have a lobster roll.
Ooh, lobster roll, yeah, definitely. It's definitely got to be on the checklist. And there it is. The Cod and Lobster. Let's get a bit of lunch from here. See what they got. So the food's here. We've gone with crab sandwich. Also comes with crisps and a little side salad. Crabby, nice. Good that. What? That's the thinnest passageway. That's a thin passageway, that. There's some super thin passageways between some of the houses. It's crazy. Well, we've had lunch now, so now we're just walking around, seeing what we can find. Try and find the where the independent shops are. Take a look in them. There was 12 dolphin spottings this morning at the sea as well. That'd have been cool to see. Now walking onto the beach. Look at the lovely beach. Cliff's unstable apparently. Oh, look at this little walk through here. Look how blue the water is. now. It's so peaceful today because it's so hot. Look how far out we can walk on the rocks into the sea. See how far we can go. Much of it just broke off. This is as far as I can get. Still underwater, that one. Look how massive these rocks are. Mammoth. Oh. I would say it's peaceful, but the seagulls are a bit noisy. But it's nice sitting by the sea. This is a good little hidden gem, this place, isn't it? Not many people seem to know about this one. Staithes. It's quite small, but small little seaside town. But it's so nice. It's about 30 degrees today as well. It's hot. And I stopped off for a coffee at a place called Dotty's Cafe. It's got really good reviews on Google and it was recommended. So I ordered a coffee, orange juice and a lemon blueberry cake, which sounds banging. The cafe is 1940s themed. It's a decor is 1940s, from that era. The cakes are here now. Look at these.
26.75. Is it cash or card? Card, please. 26.
We both went for the lemon and blueberry cake. Let's give it a try.
Thank you very much.
What do you think? Is it nice?
Did you enjoy? Yeah, can we have a cheese scone, please? There's 2 seconds.
This is it.
So we've got a cheese scone. Do you want butter or do you want caramelised onion chutney?
Cheese and butter,
Yeah, just everything. Yes, please. Oh, would you like to go warming through ever so slightly?
So good. Got my coffee. Got my hottie drink and my coldie drink. I always have to have a cold drink when I have a hot drink. Does anyone else do that?
I think I've blown it, I kinda know it. I'd say it's obvious you're fed up somehow. Been hesitating, pulling away when all that you're trying to do is ease my mind.
Well, that was absolute banging piece of cake, that. Never really see lemon and blueberry cakes very often. So yeah, gotta carry on walking around now, see what else is there around.
Cause now I'm thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? Cause
crazy. They're singing, aren't they? Rock fell on the floor from the cliff.
That is where we went wrong. You can be cold sometimes, don't even know you sometimes. Am I the only one who's trying to hold on? Ooh, serves me right for being way up in your space when I should give you some time. Ooh, fuck my life.
Now approaching the museum. Worth a look, I guess. Let's see what's in Staithes Museum.
Don't mind my worry, you just let go of me, 'cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, don't mind my worry, you just let go of me, 'cause I don't know if I'm what you want. Come on. So many things I'd like to say to you. If I was only fucking capable to, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to move on. I'm just thinking, oh my worry, you just let go of me, if you let go of me.
Yeah, so that was a few bits from the museum. We've pretty much finished it, really. It's not a very big place at all. It's lovely, not very big. Look at that scenery in the background. That is great. Yeah, might just go and sit by the sea and just chill for a bit before going home, really. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Maybe get an ice cream or something?
Sounds cute.
Let's go. Oh, look at this floor. It's mosaic floor. Just can't get enough of the scenery, can we? Just how nice it is. Look at this view here. Listen to them seagulls. Oh, it's so fresh by the sea, like fresh air, banging weather. Oh, let's have a little walk round here. There's a boat coming in now to land. What do boats do? To dock, not to land. Behind us there, look. He's going to go in there somewhere. The boat's called the Three Sisters, and there's a little seagull standing on it. That would have been Captain Cook once upon a time. This was his area. We got our Mr. Whippy ice creams. Look at them. I haven't had one of these in a long time. Look how much whippy they put on them. And we're back to where we begun, at the car park. Walked the way around, so yeah, that was it. That was our day out at Staithes, which was quite fun. It's a nice, quite a little seaside town. Very beautiful. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta move more. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta move more. I gotta get more.